A very good morning from Johnson Farm here in Kapirimposhi. I hope you are okay from wherever you're tuning in this morning. Guys, it's a lovely morning here and the sun is just rising in the horizon. And I'm just here to inspect to see what the guys are doing. They are planting rape. So this is how our day is looking like. Sunrise at the horizon and also our vegetation. It's coming up. Let me just show you. So this is English giant rape. As you can see, at this far end all the way to that far end, this is all English giant rape. In this one here, it's direct sowing from this end here. This is the 7 years Zimbabwean kind of vegetation, the way they like it. But here in Zambia, they don't particularly like it, but we're going to teach them how to eat it. And this side it's been planted, it's just growing up. As you can see, this is English giant rape. It's just coming up. Can you see the leaves? They are just coming up. All the way from where I'm standing, this whole section here is all English giant rape. So we are going to extend it to this other section here. We tried to do calendula here, but it didn't feature very well. So we're going to put rape on this section here all the way to the far end. Hopefully we'll do some cabbage as well, and in that middle section we'll put some cabbage. But the rape so far so good, is looking good. As you can see, some of the leaves are looking very nice. But hopefully once we put some more chicken manure, it will be looking fantastic. So I don't know where you're watching from this morning, and I hope somebody out there watching might get some inspiration. If you are living in the diaspora like myself, coming back home to come and do some work on the farm is just a joy. And it's just amazing, honestly. So be inspired, be encouraged that you can come home and do some work and grow some vegetables. Hopefully in the near future we're going to keep some chicken, some layers. We got some village chickens, but we want something that will bring in money on a daily basis, so we will be investing in layers. I got a guava tree here. This is one of the guava trees. I got one other one there and a third one there. There's another one down by the bottom there. Actually three down there by the stream. There's a little stream that we have down there. It's called Lunchu. Now, this is a pine tree. Believe me, these pine trees, I planted them, they were like that. Very tiny plants, including the avocado. This avocado tree is now growing up, and the pine tree is grown up. You can see the other one in the distance, and there's a couple of mango trees up there, but I pruned them recently. Yeah, so they've actually grown. They've grown very, very big. Now, when you look here, this is the foundation for the wall fence. We will be putting a wall fence down here. From the beacon down here, going up. It's already, actually, there's already a foundation here, concrete slab. We just need to build. And this is the beacon here. It's about 30 meters to the stream. And this is the foundation here. There's concrete already slab over there. So the other section, the wall fence has reached the far end. But in good time, we want to fence up the whole place. So we got matava here. There's a bit of maize growing here, just for home consumption. And down there, we also have some fish ponds, which will be used in the near future once we're up and running. So I don't know where you're watching from this morning. But be inspired. If you are living in the diaspora, you can still come home. There's plenty land here in Zambia, in Kapirimposhi. You can get land from the chief and you can, get the paperwork sorted. You can get your title deeds. So from wherever you're watching from, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for your support and thank you for subscribing. And if you're watching for the very first time, I encourage you to just subscribe and give it a like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. And also don't forget to press that bell icon for more notifications. And from me, it's adios. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.